Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We have this interesting functional equation challenge. We are asked to find f of square root of 6. And how is this possible? Because the domain of this function is a quadratic. We have x squared minus 6x. And how possible can we get f of root x? Is there any way we can go about this? If there is, you can drop the answer in the comment box. And let's solve these questions step by step. When we consider the solutions, there are two ways we can solve this. And let's choose the best way to solve. First is, since we need f of root 6, we are going to make sure that all this one becomes root 6 by just letting x squared minus 6x equals root 6. So if I let x squared minus 6x equals square root of 6. So the next thing we have is we have f of root 6 equals x plus 1. But we need to know the value of x. And we can only know the value of x by solving for x at this previous line. So let's find x there. We have x squared minus 6x equals square root of 6. Let's try to balance the square here. Supposed to have 3 terms, but here we have 2 terms, x squared and x. So to balance this, let's consider from this left hand side. So by considering from left hand side, we are going to have x squared minus 6x equals, suppose I want to balance this. If I divide this 6 by 2, we are going to have 3. Then let me add 3 squared and subtract 3 squared to this, as we have x squared minus 6x plus 3 squared minus 3 squared. So this becomes x squared minus 6x plus 3 squared, it gives us 9. Then minus 3 squared, this gives us 9. If I combine the whole of this, x squared minus 6x plus 9, and I leave this one aside, we know everything equals square root of 6. So after this, so for x squared minus 6x plus 9, it can also be written as x minus 3 squared. Why do we get this? Let's try to rewrite this in 2 times, x minus 3x minus 3. Then we open the parentheses, we get x squared minus 6x plus 9. Then minus 9 equals square root of 6. So we need x, let's take 9 to other side, as we have x minus 3 squared equals 9 plus square root of 6. Then to know the value of x, we take the square root of both sides. So by taking the square root of both sides, we have square root of x minus 3 squared equals, so here we have plus or minus the square root of 9 plus square root of 6. So square and square root cancelled. This left us x minus 3 equals plus or minus square root 9 plus square root of 6. Then let's try to take this 3 to other side. So we have x equals 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus square root of 6. This is for x. But if you recall that f of square root of 6 equals x plus 1, we have gotten only x. We have to substitute it here. So by substitution, we have f of square root of 6 equals 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus root 6, then plus 1. So this one is out of this bracket. we can only add this 1 to this 3. So by adding 1 to 3, we have f of square root of 6 equals 3 plus 1 gives us 4, plus or minus the square root of 9 plus square root of 6. This is the answer that we get. But try to note that this function is not one-to-one, which means the two answers here are what we are going to get. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.